I get into it, since the topic is on the legal...
The Malaysian Bar states pursuing another constitutional amendment to include the word disability for the protection of marginalised groups is long overdue and must be done promptly. It also emphasized the urgent need for the constitutional amendment to include disability as a protected category under Articles 8 subsection 2 and 12 subsection 1 of the Federal Constitution. The Understanding Disability Issues in Malaysia Forum, organized by the Bar Council Ad Hoc Committee on Persons with Disabilities on Saturday, brought together legal professionals to discuss reforms for protecting and supporting PWDs.
As we gather today to deliberate on the critical issues concerning disability in Malaysia, I am reminded of a Malay proverb, di mana ada kemahuan, di situ ada jalan. Meaning, where there is a will, there is a way. This forum is a reflection of that will, the will to acknowledge the challenges, to listen to the voices of those who have been marginalized, and to act decisively to ensure that no one is left behind. However, laws alone cannot bring about change. True progress requires awareness, understanding, and most importantly, empathy.
Advocate and solicitor Mira Samantha highlighted the glaring omission of disability in both articles, noting that while gender was included in 2001, disability remains unrecognized.
You cannot be discriminated on the grounds of race, religion, etc. But disability is missing. Why is disability missing? I mean, this is a very alarming statement. Is the government an enabler of discrimination? That's my big question.
Adding to the discussion, advocate and solicitor Sanggit Koredio urged an amendment to include the right to access justice as outlined in Article 13 of the United Nations Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities.
I do not know why that is the case. I think it's absolutely crucial because that has been envisaged and taken on board as when we became signatories of the CRPD.
Sanggit proposed recognizing persons with disabilities as a vulnerable group under the Criminal Procedure Code, introducing support provisions and implementing disability awareness training in the criminal justice system. She also recommended collecting data on persons with disabilities in prisons and courts to inform policy decisions.